Welcome, today I am with Realme C21Y and I will show you how fingerprint sensor works. Basically it's the fingerprint sensor speed test. So let's check how fast we can unlock phone with this sensor. Okay, if I have to be honest, this sensor works definitely better than the Google Pixel 6 sensor that you can find built into the display. It's definitely faster and also more reliable. I mean, this sensor can recognize my fingerprint in a very dry, while on the Pixel 6 it's not possible. That's a very good sensor, honestly. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.